record, and then I'm going to share screen with you. And so today we're going to learn more vocabulary, GRE vocabulary. So let's begin. Here is a video. I'm not going to talk about code here, coding, so I'm just going to talk about the markup. So if necessary, we're going to learn the code next time, but now we're going to focus mostly on the GRE's vocabulary sections. So first of all, I'm going to write like a, so it's going to be GRE vocabulary, guys. GRE vocabulary. So if I run this code, we will get a title. So let's begin. So begins code again. So I don't want code, I want markdown. Okay, so first word is unwarranted. Unwarranted means baseless or groundless. Baseless or groundless. Maybe without justification. Without justification. The confusion can't be valid because of the unwarranted assumptions. This is the example. Unwarranted. So next word is warrant. What warrant means? Warrant means a legal document that gives authority to arrest someone. Another meaning also is another meaning. So what is another meaning is a reason for doing something. Reason for doing something. Another meaning. This one is another meaning, right? Reason for doing something. Arrest warrant. Unwarranted warrant. Unwarranted warrant. Justify. Justify. The meaning of justify is to provide reason. Justify means to provide reason. Feign. Another word is feign. Feign means to pretend. To pretend. Avela bahana gali gani anta. This is example anta. Feign interest in study. Feign interest in study. Feign. This is unfeigned. Unfeigned. So इसको antonym हो. Let's say antonym. Ant. Let's call it ant, right? For antonym, we just call it ant. Not pretended. Unfeigned means not pretended. Feign. Another word is guise. Guise means appearance. Appearance. Guise means appearance. Disguise. Disguise means to change appearance, to hide reality. Change appearance to hide reality. Undisguised. Undisguised means real, or this call is not pretended. Not pretended, undisguised. And the word is contempt. Contempt means lack of respect for others. Lack of respect for others, or just call it strong dislike. Strong dislike. The example is contempt of the court. Contempt of the court. Another word is undue. Undue means excessive. excessive, undue. Rebirth. Rebirth means deserving. Let's say deserving. Deep respect. Rebirth. Let's say example. Rebirth. Like rebirth. So rebirth scientist. We can call it rebirth scientist, right? Undue rebirth. And then another word, let's say seemingly. Seemingly means outwardly. The inner reality may be different. The inner reality may be different. A seemingly true but false statement. Seemingly true but false statement. Seemingly. Deceivingly. Deceivingly means intended to mislead. Intended to mislead. Deceivingly. Set somebody apart. Set somebody apart means isolate or separate. Let's say isolate or separate. Set somebody apart means isolate or separate. Eyes. So you may be thinking how stupid I am writing the meaning of eyes. So here is the meaning. The meaning of eyes is perspective. Descriptor. The meaning of the descriptor is word or phrase that describes something. Word or phrase that describes something. Descriptor. Antiquated. The meaning of antiquated is very old or outdated. Antiquated. Encompass. So the meaning of encompass is to surround or cover. Example: the city was encompassed by a ring road. The mountain was encompassed with snow. Okay. So next word is confront. The meaning of confront is to meet or face in an unfriendly way. To meet or face in an unfriendly way. Dichotomy. The meaning of dichotomy is there are two meanings of dichotomy. The first meaning is like we study in science also, division into two parts. And the second meaning is strong disagreement. Let's see the example. One example of this word, dichotomy. Dichotomy between two political parties. So here the sense is strong disagreement between two political parties. Strive to means strive to, refer to. So indicating source. Strive to, refer to, indicating source. Reluctance means unwillingness. Reluctance means unwillingness. I am reluctant to participate in the meeting. I think the synonym would be reticent. Reticent. Rhetorical question. Rhetorical questions. You can say questions or just question. That's all. Rhetorical question. A question is asked, but answer is not expected. In the bracket, answer is self-understood. Answer is self-understood. So in the beginning of the presentation or in the talk, you ask questions. That is the effective way of starting the presentation, right? So, but you don't answer it, right? The answer is self-understood. On its face. On its face means concerning this. On its face. Prodigy. Prodigy means child with early talent. Child with early talent. Masterpiece. Masterpiece means best work. So in the bracket, that has been prepared with much time and effort. That has been prepared with much time and effort. Masterpiece. Preternatural. Preternatural. The meaning of preternatural is supernatural. Supernatural. So in the bracket, relating to God, ghost, or magic. Relating to God, ghost, or magic. Supernatural means supernatural. Preternatural. The another meaning of preternatural is beyond normal. Let's say example preternatural monsoon. Preternatural monsoon. There is another meaning for preternatural also. So preternatural monsoon. Another meaning of preternatural is extraordinary. Extraordinary. Let's say example. He seems to have a preternatural power. Synonym is paranormal. Preternatural. Conductor. Conductor means a person who directs orchestra. Orchestra. Orchestra means a group of instrumentalists. You can also say a large group of instrumentalists. And who directs the orchestra? Conductor. Right? Person who directs orchestra is conductor. Enduring. Enduring is long-lasting. Example: enduring vision / impact. Enduring. Endurance, to continue. To tolerate, let's say to tolerate, and another is to continue. Example: the war endured for several months. The war endured for several months. Standing. Standing means there are two meanings for standing also. Status and also opinion, 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 status or opinion, at or with, in the state of strong disagreement. The state of strong disagreement or with. Critical. There are around 5 meanings of criticals, right? Criticals of critics. Samalochak of critics. So we go example. If I give example, it will be much clearer. So for this word of critics, Samalochak, the drama received a critical hit. Another meaning. Another meaning is very great. Very great. Critical importance. Critical importance. Another meaning. Another meaning is carefully judging. Carefully judging. Example, carefully judging. Critical analysis or reasoning. Another meaning, blaming or disapproving, followed by example, and then to be clear, the students are critical of the teacher. The students are critical of the teacher. The students are critical of the teacher. So another meaning, okay, another meaning is urgent. Urgent. What urgent? Requiring immediate attention. Otherwise, the consequence is unpleasant. Otherwise, the consequence is unpleasant. Example, critical necessity. Critical necessity. Another meaning, very serious. Example, the patient is in critical condition. Critical condition. Okay. So that's the meaning for critical. Another word is like prodigious. Prodigious means extraordinary. So difficult to type. Extraordinary, and another meaning is huge. So example would be prodigious effort. Prodigious effort. Put it means to mention. Put it. MILIEU. Milieu means environment or background. So example is, I am from middle class milieu. Ill-timed, happened, HAPPENED, happened at an unfavorable time. I'm sorry if I missed some spelling. time, happen at an unfavorable time. Proliferation of number. So rapid growth or multiplication. Proliferation. So say proliferation of nuclear weapons. Proliferation of nuclear weapons. Pose to cause or cause to happen. To cause or cause to happen. Invading. Meaning of invading is spreading in a harmful way. Invading cancer. Invading. Rampant is uncontrollably growing. Sweeping is great or drastic. Sweeping or battery off means a large or powerful amount of exacerbate worsen from bad to worse. The situation has been exacerbated. Dramatic. So here we have of dramas. Example: dramatic characters. Another meaning for dramatic is shout. The price increased or decreased dramatically. Another meaning for dramatic is emotional or sentimental. Example: the directors were unwilling to provide him a dramatic role because he was a comedian. And the meaning for dramatic is attracting others. Usually sentimentally or emotionally. Unusually or sentimentally. Let's say not emotionally, right? But it's not. It's okay if you can write. If you want to write 13 words unusually or sentimentally. So the example would be dramatic woman slash gesture. Supplant. The meaning of supplant means replace. Supplant. Boom is rapid growth. Profound. Profound means deep or vast. So example would be profound knowledge, and theory. Another meaning for profound is obscure or confusing. Obscure, confusing. Again, profound theory. Another meaning for profound is great or drastic. Great or drastic. Profound change. Sometimes you call like profound change. Profound. Striking. Striking means very unusual. Very unusual or strange. Very unusual or strange. Striking. Appealed means that you like. Striking, appealed. Privileged. Privilege means having special rights and facilities provided by the government. Having special rights and facilities provided by the government. Privileged, let's say example, privileged family. Modest means common or general. Example, like modest. I write to the modest proposal. Another meaning is like simple, not soy. Modest person. Not soy, modest. Noble means higher class, deserving social respect. Noble. Dignity means sad or serious quality. Dignity means sad or serious quality. So this much for today. So now I'm going to stop the share. I hope you have already copied with me, and I'm going to stop share, and then I'm going to stop